Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I found this website that is paying literally everybody from all location. I know some of you, my subscribers, are from Nigeria and you keep complaining that your country is not allowed to sign up in some of the surveys I share here. But this one is taken from all location and it's called Free World. So I found it very interesting and the minimum payout for this one is between $1 to $2. So I think you guys will like this one. That is why I'm bringing it to you guys today. So I'm going to break everything down because it has a lot of offers for you to make money from this website. There are a lot of offers for you. So it's not just your usual survey website. Now you're going to earn from multiple, offers from Free World. So this is the homepage. I'll leave the link in the description box, direct link to the website, so you can sign up. When you sign up, this is going to be your homepage, your dashboard. You can see the offers available from different survey websites where you can complete surveys and earn money. The problem that you guys have is that some of the surveys are not allowing you guys from your country or your location to sign up. But this one, you can actually sign up from Nigeria, from India, Ghana, from all locations. You can sign up and then complete surveys and get paid. You can see there are so many surveys here from different companies. They are partnering with companies like BitLabs, Custom Surveys, CPX Research. These are good survey websites that I've also worked for before. So you can see they have so many of them. Review, Time Wall. They have so many offers for you guys to earn from. They also have hot offers, the ones they call hot offers, but some of them are games and and they pay up to $68. Okay, so you can see there are so many things you can do from this website to earn so much money. Now that we are on holiday, the Christmas is here, you can actually use this opportunity to sign up and complete these surveys at your own time and get paid. This one, you can watch videos, pixel point, watch videos that can pay you up to $6.30 per video. Okay, so there are so many things you can do to earn from this website. They have rewards as well. The reward here, this one goes for, they call it daily reward. If you log in daily, you will get this point. I just claimed my first point after I signed up. This is 50 coins. So when I sign in tomorrow, I will claim this 100 coins. And if I sign in the next day, I'll earn, that's bronze, they call it bronze promo code. The next day, 200 coins, 250 coins, and it keeps going on and on. Also, you can earn money by referring friends. You can enter the affiliate program. This is a new one, by the way, guys. It's a new one. You can enter the affiliate program. This is it here. So far, I've made 105 points or coins that can be redeemed via, I'll show you guys the payout options they have. Okay, so this is how many points I've made. I'm still in tier 1 because I just signed up. I usually sign up when I'm making this tutorial so that you guys will follow through. So you can sign up using your email address or your Google account. I use my Google account to sign up. So for the affiliate program, for tier 1, you earn nothing because I just signed up, right? For tier 2, you earn 6% commission, which is about $10. For tier 3, you earn $25, which is 7% commission. You keep earning and earning and earning. Tier 8 is 20% commission. You earn $10,000 affiliate earnings. So you can earn so much as you want. Like, it depends on the time that you commit to this website. Okay, so when you go look at my right hand side here, you can see live chat. This is live chat, guys. It's not something they copied and pasted. No, this is live chat where people come and, write things, ask questions. If they're confused about things, there are moderators here to answer your questions. So once you come here, you can leave your questions here, say something, and they will answer it. You can see this one says, is anyone's Cheddar TV not working properly? They will surely get back to you. That is how this one works. So they also have raffle draws. The raffles consist of a daily and a weekly draw where the prize amount is determined by the number of participants and 90% of the prize pool is awarded to the winners. You can see you can win daily prize here. You can join them. I'll join them later after this tutorial. You see people that have joined so far. Okay. So don't forget the referral commission that I talked about. Refer a friend to get paid commission. So for the cash out, guys, the most interesting part, the cash out, they have PayPal option, they have Litecoin, they have this one, they have Bitcoin Cash, and they also have gift cards, Amazon, Discord, Nitro, iTunes, Visa, Nintendo, Fortnite. They have so many gift cards, even eBay, Walmart, Spotify, DoorDash, GameStop, Starbucks, Netflix, and PlayStation, Google Play, Steam. They have so many gift card options for you guys. This one is really interesting. So once you reach the minimum cash out, which is $2, depending on the type of option you choose. For instance, my payout option is PayPal. You just enter your PayPal address or the PayPal address that you want. That's the email address that you want the money to be paid into. You enter it here and then enter the amount. So you can see for PayPal, the minimum payout is 2,000 coins, which is, let's see, 2,000 coins. 2,000 coins is $2. Okay, so these coins that you see here is converted into money. So 1,000 coins is equals $1 and so on. You can also check this one. The minimum payout for this one is $1, which is 1,000 coins. For Bitcoin Cash, the minimum payout is 1,000 coins, which equals $1. Okay, so this one is really good, and I saw it and I said, no, I'll have to share this one with my community. Okay, if you're liking the video so far, why not leave a thumbs up, like the video, leave a comment. Don't forget to share this video to other people, and most importantly, guys, subscribe to my channel. Support my channel by subscribing. I do a lot of work in bringing you guys this surveys and how to make money videos. All I need is your support. Just subscribe to the channel, like and comment. Okay, so these are all you need to know about this free world website. They also have daily leaderboards where people earn prizes. So you can see the highest earner for today is this person, which the person is going to earn 2,000 coins for this particular one. You can see this one, Sonia. Her face looks familiar. She looks like a Nigerian. She's going to earn 1,000 coins as her prize for leaderboard. So people are really pulling weight here. They're really doing good for themselves, especially now that we're on holiday. That's why I always talk about it. Okay, so don't waste time. Just go and sign up. I'll leave the link in the description box. So once you sign up today, you will get 50 coins for signing up. Free 50 coins for signing up. That is what you're going to get. And then there are other things you can do on the website to earn more money. Just go through the website. There are other things. I haven't even started completing surveys and I've earned 105 points. So I know that by the time I set and I'm ready for this, I'm going to make more money. You can also join the Discord. I joined the Discord and I got paid 50 points. So join the Discord. You can see I've claimed it. Join it and you will claim yours. Okay. That is how it works. 7 days streak reward. So if you join for 7 days, you're going to earn 1,000. Like if you sign in for 7 days, you're going to earn 1,000 points. So from tomorrow, I'll start claiming. I'll claim this 25, next day 50, next day 100, like that until I finish claiming the whole 1,000. Okay, so they have so many opportunities for you to earn. Again, what they do is that they may give you a free promo code on the achievement bar, or you can also find more promo codes on their social media platforms. You can find on the Discord server. I've joined this Discord server. You can also join their Facebook page. They give away free promo codes on different occasions. So all you need to do is to input it here and claim it. That is how it works. So this one is good. Look at this girl. I don't know, I'm calling her girl. She's her name is Sonia, and I'm sure she's from Nigeria. She just completed a survey with AdGate Media. She earned 381.7 points. This is a lot. Okay, if you guys are serious and sign up today, you're going to start cashing out. You're going to make a lot of money from this. I think I'm going to end this video here. I'll leave the link in the description box, but don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and don't forget to like the video. Most importantly, leave a comment in the comment section with your country, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video.